There's some calls that would definitely make us nervous, as paramedics. I've been in this job for almost 8 years, so I love it, but it is a stressful job, but sometimes, it's very rewarding.
Some of them have just gotten out of paramedic school, but I have a lot of medics who are older medics and they don't go to as much continuing education as maybe I would like.
With as expensive as everything is now and the amount of hours that I have to work for my family, I don't get the opportunity or time off to go to these good classes that are in different places.
We don't deal with a lot of pediatrics, so when we do get that pediatric call, it kind of makes us a little nervous. It's really good to just take the time to practice on the pediatric mannequin. So I enjoyed that aspect of it a lot. We don't do a whole lot of hands-on training, so if we could do this like every year, it would be nice.
I would say thank you to that private donor, and we appreciate, folks when they step up. Not all heroes wear capes and uniforms, and we appreciate somebody stepping forth financially and making this possible. It's very beneficial to our crews and our staff, and we greatly appreciate it.
Taking the time to, practice and do more hands-on, it kind of helps with that confidence. And so, like I said, I feel like during the time or during the training today and taking the time, it, made me more confident as a medic. So.